Hello, today we will guide you through how to set the screen share frame rate limit in Zoom. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you are using the desktop application, since this setting is typically found there rather than in the browser version. Once Zoom is open and fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of the window. There you'll see your profile account icon. Go ahead and click on it. This opens your account menu where you can access different Zoom options and personal app settings. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your version of Zoom, but the profile menu is generally always in the upper right area. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for the Zoom app. In this area, Zoom groups its features into categories so you can adjust how meetings, video, audio, and screen sharing behave. Next, find and click on Screen Share. This section controls how your content is presented when you share your screen during a meeting. It's especially useful if you regularly present slides, demonstrate software, or share motion-heavy content like video playback. Once you're in the Screen Share section, click on Advance. This will take you to additional options that aren't always visible in the basic settings view. These advanced controls help you fine-tune how Zoom handles shared content, including performance-related settings. Now look for the option related to the Screen Share frame setting and click the toggle button for Screen Share's frame. Turning this on allows you to set the frame rate limit for screen sharing. This can be helpful if you want smoother motion during presentations or if you're trying to balance video quality with system performance and bandwidth usage. After you enable the toggle, Zoom will apply that setting going forward when you share your screen. If you're using screen sharing for static content like documents or spreadsheets, a lower frame rate may be perfectly fine. If you're sharing animations or video, a higher frame rate can make movement appear smoother. Keep in mind that higher frame rates may also use more computer resources and network bandwidth. And that's it. You've successfully found and enabled the setting for the screen share frame rate limit in Zoom. If needed, you can always return to the same area later to review or adjust it based on the type of content you usually share.